results of our joint instructional preparation session. Before the incoming class of CDFW trainees hits the water, we partnered with local wardens at Diamond Valley Lake to ensure the United States Power Squadron's hot curriculum is perfectly adapted to their tactical needs. This is about civilian and agency unity. We brought America's Boating Club Oceanside's maritime expertise directly to the wardens. Our goal was to merge national HOT standards with CDFW tactical protocols, stress testing the curriculum so that every instructor grades the incoming trainees on the exact same baseline. We started exactly where the trainees will start, on the asphalt. We walked through every step of the ramp protocols to lock in the grading criteria. This includes checking all safety gear and equipment before launch, standardizing the visual hand signals required over loud diesel engines, and defining what a perfect, controlled float-on looks like during recovery. Diamond Valley Lake has a unique microclimate. As you can see from this video, morning fog and zero visibility conditions are a real factor. We assessed these hazards to figure out how much emphasis needs to be placed on line-of-sight safety protocols and winch coordination before trainees attempt them blind. Once we cleared the ramp, we moved to the core of the preparation, on water tactical validation. We swapped the helm constantly. USPS instructors and wardens took turns running through the HOT skill checklist. This allowed us to align our expectations, pinpointing exactly what level of throttle control and evasive steering is required to pass the course. The feedback loop was continuous. We provided real-time coaching while underway and followed up with dockside debriefs. We also established the standard for situational awareness, maintaining a 360-degree focus on hazards and public boaters during exercises. Here we are validating close-quarters maneuvers. We need trainees to effectively communicate with the deck crew during tight turns and reverse operations, making sure they are constantly checking motor clearances. We also stress-tested the patrol vessel's capabilities at high speeds. Trainees will be evaluated on safely bringing the boat onto plane, executing evasive turns, and performing emergency stops without losing control. During intercept simulations, we evaluated safe pursuit gaps and visual tracking. Importantly, we assessed the physical impact of the patrol vessel's wake on the shoreline to ensure our training accounts for safe speed limits and public safety. And we can't forget our local audience. Ultimately, both USPS and CDFW share the exact same mission, protecting our waterways and the life they sustain in the southwestern Riverside County Multi-Species Reserve. Our instructional core is fully calibrated. Instructors and wardens are operating from the exact same playbook, and the curriculum is locked in. We are confident that we gave these wardens a high-stress and high-value preparation for their training event. Thanks to America's Boating Club Oceanside. That concludes our prep review. I'll open the floor to any questions regarding the finalized HOT curriculum parameters.